Hello friend, welcome back to Innosol Petrochem India. Today we are going to show you one of our masterpiece polishing unit. This is wax polishing unit. We are running this wax polishing unit in South Africa, Durban, and the purpose of this wax polishing unit is to remove the smell 100% from any kind of waxes and improve the color. Today we are fitting some good quality slack wax. I will show you what we are fitting. So this is the oil we are fitting, this is the wax we are fitting, and the color is around 1.5 ASTM. So friend, this wax polishing unit, is different than any technology existing to polish your wax. These are the bunch of reactor filled with the very specialized catalyst, and the catalyst you can use it many times. Like after each batch, the catalyst which is filled inside the reactor get cleaned in situ, and after cleaning you can feed. So feed the wax, clean the catalyst inside the reactor and feed, and you can do it more than 200 times. So this is very environmental friendly and great technology to think on. Let me show this machine from all around. Come, we'll show you from the top. So friend, in this wax polishing unit, we are fitting right now to these reactors. From these reactors, this wax will go to these reactors, and from there it will come out. So let me show you the quality of wax coming out from this wax polishing unit. So friend, we put a lot of effort to develop this technology, wax polishing unit, and after our continuous effort and several R&D, we finally running this wax polishing unit successfully, and even my customer is very happy seeing the result, and it is something we always is striving for. Let me draw the sample, what is coming out. So friend, this is the wax coming out. It is completely water white, having no smell. So now from 1.5 to 2 ASTM slack wax having some smell to water white, no smell. But this is not the final result. We give you from that 2 ASTM, 1.5 to 2 ASTM with smell to around 0.75, no smell. And you know, behind me, these are the complete control equipment, we say, to control these reactors. These are the mandatory equipments for the cleaning of the reactor. Once the cleaning done, you can feed again your different kind of waxes. Even in this unit, you can process the petroleum jelly. Many plant is having a problem of smell in petroleum jelly. By this wax polishing unit, you can remove the smell from your petroleum jelly 100%. So friend, if you are a wax manufacturer or a wax trader, then this wax polishing is something you should think on. So friend, just let me know if you want to know more about this wax polishing unit. We'll be happy hearing back from you. Thank you very much for watching this video.